Modular design. Everyone talks about it, but very few plan for it. When done right, modular architecture doesn't just save a few dev cycles, it saves your roadmap from chaos. It's often the difference between software that scales and software that collapses under its own weight. And we're going to talk about it in today's 2 Minutes on Tech. Oh yeah. That's the best elevator music you're gonna hear all year. It's put me in the mood for floor 7. This goes out to all you cool cats out there listening to 2 Minutes on Tech. Listen, here at Art+Logic, we work with tons of teams trying to clean up their technical debt, modernize their legacy code, or just build faster without sacrificing quality. So listen, we know what we're talking about. And modular design is a common way to unlock problems. Done well, it helps you move quickly and stay in control. Done poorly, it adds complexity you just don't need. So how do you get it right? Well, I'm gonna tell you. You're welcome in advance. Why modular design pays off? Well, faster development. You can break your system into components, and teams can work in parallel. That means less waiting, less merging, faster time to market. Also, safer maintenance. A bug fix in Module A, well, that doesn't break Module B. You isolate the risk and reduce the testing overhead. Also, less architecture drift. Each module owns a purpose and a boundary. That keeps your system understandable, even years and years later. Also, better scalability. Add capacity where you need it. Introduce new features without reworking the whole entire system, because who wants to do that? Built-in reuse. Authentication, billing, notifications. Build once, reuse everywhere. It's faster, cheaper, and more consistent. But not all modularity is good modularity. So what to watch out for? Well, don't split your modules too thin. Make sure that you have really well-defined interfaces. Also, premature abstraction. You gotta watch out for that, because no one likes to have abstraction prematurely. It's not what you want. Get your mind out of the gutter, folks. Stop it. Also, you gotta watch out for duplication across teams. Listen, without clear domain logic, modular design becomes modular chaos. There is a right way to modularize, and here's what we would recommend. Map your domain. Find natural boundaries in the logic or data. Define interfaces early. We're talking stable APIs, predictable flows. Prioritize independence. Each module should manage itself. Iterate intentionally. Start small, then scale modularity. Assign ownership. No one wants an orphaned code. Modular architecture isn't a checkbox, it's a mindset. Great software isn't just about how you build, it's about how easily it evolves. And at Art+Logic, we help product teams turn tangled systems into clean, scalable modules that move with your business, not against it. This has been 2 Minutes on Tech, brought to you by Art+Logic. Well, okay, today it's 3 Minutes on Tech. Have a great day, everybody.